Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix some YouTube something went wrong. If you're using YouTube and you're having this type issue that something went wrong, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to go back and here you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your YouTube app. So open up your app store and here you have to simply go for search, and in search bar you just have to search for YouTube. And once you have searched, you have to make sure that there is no any update available. But if you have any update like this, you just have to tap on this update option and the app will successfully update it. Once you have updated your app, you have to make sure that you haven't any internet problem. If you have any network issue, you must have to keep along, you must have to tap on your airplane mode and your airplane mode will be enabled. Now you have to briefly disable it after 5 or 10 seconds, and once you have enabled, and you have to wait for your Wi-Fi until it connects. Once your Wi-Fi has been connected, you have to wait for your YouTube app until it's installed. And once the app has been installed, you must have to close all the recent apps. And here you have to open your YouTube app. And in this time, you will not get any issue. But if you're having the same issue, so what you have to do, you have to open up your settings app. And here go for general, then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to look for YouTube, tap on it, then select offload app, then tap on offload app, and it will offload your YouTube app. Once you have offloaded, simply tap on this reinstall app and it will take a time, so you must have to wait for it. And once your app has been reinstalled, you can easily use your YouTube app smoothly, but you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. But sometimes, because sometimes it might be that your internet connection might be weak, so you cannot use YouTube in that way. So you must have to wait for its loading, and once the loading has been completed, you can easily use your YouTube app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.